Greetings to everyone. My name is Amanda Tian, the 20th N-IVAQ Event Director. Thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. It is a pleasure to welcome all the chief guests, sponsors, participants, and audience to our annual National Inter-Varsity Accounting Quiz. On a side note, this is the first post-pandemic event here in MMU Melaka Campus, and we are more than excited to have you all here with us today. As an introduction of the event, National Inter-Varsity Accounting Quiz is a yearly event organized by MMU Accounting Club since 2001 and has been ongoing for 2 decades now. We hope that the event could help the audience to expand their knowledge on accounting and presentation skills to better shape yourself for the corporate world. Moreover, we are proud to announce that this event is being conducted along with the support of Malaysian Institute of Accountants, MIA. We would also like to express our utmost gratitude to ICAW for being part of the event as a strategic partner, and it's a pleasure to be partnered with such a reputed organization. To everyone who has been part of the journey, I heartily thank you and express my gratitude.